Let's start to read the lesson now. So take your English book and open your book to the page number 28. Where is the lesson start? 28. See, this is the flock of geese. These are what? Flock of geese. This is the old goose. This is the old goose. See, he has a spectacle also. So this is the old goose. Okay, let's start to read the lesson. Flying together. What is the lesson name? Flying together. What are some of the things your parents and teachers tell you to do on time? Get up in the morning, do the homework, pack your school bag, eat the breakfast correctly, have a lunch, some like that. Is it? And go and play these. They have allotted some time to you. Those times only you have to play like that. Is it? So see next. What happened when you didn't do as they asked you to do? We will get punishment or scold from our parents if we didn't obey our words. Is it? So see the story. Now only the story is started. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. This tree was the home of a flock of wild geese. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. He noticed a small creeper at the foot of a tree. So which is the foot? The small creeper. He spoke to the other birds about it. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. Let us destroy it. Who said this? That old goose. Why must we destroy it? Asked the geese in surprise. It is so small. What harm can it do? My friends, replied the wise old bird. Why we have to make some harm for the creeper? Like that, who said that? That flock of geese. That little creeper will soon grow. But the old bird said what? It will grow soon. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. When it grows, what happened? It will become thick and strong. It's difficult to destroy. Who said this answer? The old bird. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? The creeper namakku harm na tunburthrathu. It makes some bad for us, any harmful thing, anything adin solli kekranga. Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. What will happen? It will make them climb up the tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. If any hunter come here, it can kill for us easily. See, they have given something. Trees and plants are to be conserved. We have to make them conserve. We should not destroy. Discuss in class and find out which plants, creepers, or trees may be harmful for the existence of others. Something. Okay, friends, which tree is harmful for us? That oak tree. Oak tree means karivela maram. Okay, it will absorb the underground water, everything. So the government also banned that oak tree grow. Okay, let's continue to read. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old bird advised. What is the old bird advice? Destroy the creeper while it's still young. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later, it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. Well, see, it's mean we will. W-E apostrophe double-L, it means we will. How we have to pronounce it? Well. Well, see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. The stronger and stronger it became, until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in the search of wood, a hunter came to the forest. So, this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. He got the top and spread his net there. I said, the hunter spreading the net on the top of the tree. Then he climbed down and went away. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net. As they flew into the tree, they were trapped. They struggled hard to get out, but could not. Help, help, cried the geese. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Like that they cried loud. Don't make a fuss now. It means confusion, said the wise old bird. Long ago, I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Wow, what I said to you before? I have said you just destroy it, but you didn't obey it. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. We are foolish, wept the birds. They said for them, we are foolish. We are very sorry we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend. Pretend means pathgathukkrathu. Yeah, at the same time we have to say this as like acting. Okay, pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not want dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. It will then be easy for him to climb down. Collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and climbed up. He looked at the geese in the net. They are all dead. He muttered himself. Mutter means murmuring. He threw them out of the net one by one. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then all at once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. How they are acting and how they are pretending. They were be dead birds. The hunter was taken by surprise. From the top of the tree, he watched all the geese fly away. Who has written this story? Shiv Kumar. It means Siva Kumar. Okay. Which tale book we have taken this story from the Panchatantra, a wise old bird. Do you like this story? Then you just read this again. Okay, students. Thank you.